Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. We're out here at Cutty's. It might be our last trip out this year. So, stayed local, out here at Cutty's, here with the family. My daughter brought a friend of hers. It is Halloween weekend. Just got done putting up the decorations. And I was actually putting out the decorations and someone had stopped by and said, "Are you the YouTube guy?" And I kind of laughed. It kind of caught me off guard. I met a wonderful couple that had brought their grandchild out here. They've been here for 15 years, they said, and they are seasonal, and they enjoyed my channel. They enjoyed my content, so I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm going to go out and maybe we'll do a little tour of the Halloween decorations. I've got those all set up, and maybe we'll do a little bike ride. I've got a couple mounts here. Kind of cool this week. We've gotten really cool up here. 40s at night. I think the high today is maybe 60. Partly cloudy. Sun's breaking through, which is nice. But just enjoying the semi-warmth as much as we can. So let's go out, get a tour of the Halloween decorations, and we'll go from there. All right. Alright everyone, we are packed up. The rig is ready to go. As you can see, slides are in. Get ready to leave the campground. My wife, daughter, and her friend just left too. Got the jacks up, and we're gonna roll. Everyone's packing up their stuff here. Look how that cleared out. Of course, we weren't really in a hurry to get out of here. I'm not sure what time it is. 11:30 maybe? We try to be out of here before 11. Pool's closed. One quick glance at the pool again. A little shop. I was going to go in there and get something. I forgot what I was going to get now. But it's been a fun year. I think this was our 4th trip out here this year. Lots of fun as usual. Hats off to the Cutty's crew and the owner. You guys did a great job even throughout the pandemic. So if you ever do watch this video, tip my hat. You guys did a great job. You kept it interesting for everybody. I think the seasonals, the ones I talked to, are happy, as well as the weekenders. So appreciate all your hard work. Well, at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and call it quits for the day. So if you're still with me, thanks for stopping by again. Appreciate it. If this is your first time watching my videos, be sure to subscribe. Once again, really appreciate it. If you see something I should change doing my videos, let me know. I'm always open for suggestions. On that note, we'll see you on the next one.